Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and welcome back to my vlog, my new vlog actually. Well, today is my day off. It's Tuesday. Time check, it's like 7 o'clock in the evening, but maliwanag pa rin guys. So samahan niyo ako guys na gumala mag-isa. So I will take this opportunity to be alone naman at this time. At pupunta ako ng Valletta, the one of the most favorite place here in Malta. So this is, Valletta is a capital. So maraming tao, you know what it means when it comes to capital of the city. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako at abang tayo ng bus. Let's go. So here we go guys. The bus is coming, going to Valletta. Let's go. Ayan, so guys, bumaba na ako ng bus at nandito na ako sa Valletta. Hindi masyadong maraming tao tonight. I mean, I don't know why. Maybe because it's weekdays. So bukas may mga Paskong tao, kaya medyo hindi sila namasyal today. But during weekends, puno ito guys. Pasyalan ito guys. So may mga Pilipino rin dito minsan. Pero at this time, wala akong nakikita. Ay, meron pala ito. Speaking. So let's go guys. Gala tayo doon. Kung saan man, dito, doon, or whatever. So let's go. Hanap tayo ng pwede makausap guys. So isa ito sa paborito kong puntahan. Kasi nung unang dating ko dito, ito agad yung bumungad na lugar sa akin. Kaya nagustuhan ko siya. Pero that time sobrang daming tao. That was April, like last year. It's 1 year ago. So pasok tayo dun banda guys. Marami ng restaurant at maraming mga shops. So ang kagandahan ngayon ay hindi siya masyadong humid, hindi siya mainit, may konting hangin, which is really good to gala. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Thank you. They are nice. Ayan, kung makikita nyo guys, para siyang mga adobe na ginawang building, na ginawang parang I don't know kung ano tawag dyan. So panoorin nyo na lang guys. Gawa siya sa adobe. So maganda. And dun sa may Philippine flag guys, kung makikita nyo yung flag, isa yan sa Filipino restaurant dito. I think dalawa lang ang Filipino restaurant dito. So isa yan, at nakakain na ako dyan one time. So let's walk going down there. So yan, bilihan ng mga souvenirs. And also they have here the famous coffee, Starbucks. I've been there many times. I think over there merong kaganapan kasi maraming tao. I don't know what's happening over there, but let's find out, guys. So sa part na to, medyo maraming tao. They also have here McDonald's and one of the famous restaurant, the Hard Rock Cafe over there. Na kung saan meron din sa Pilipinas and anywhere around the world, I think. Kasi sa Spain meron din yan. So dito banda guys, may namataan ako. Parang mas bagay sa akin itong black or din yung green. What do you think, guys? Comment down below please kung alin ang bagay sa akin. And let's go back to walk. Ayan, may bodyguards ako dalawa. So hindi ako dito hindi ako basta-basta mababastos or whatever kasi meron akong dalawang bodyguard. Nasa unahan. Sharing ni Aling Karin. So ayan pa, maraming souvenirs guys. Elvis Presley guys. Charot. Ang ganda ng artwork guys, look. I like this one. And another one here. Which one is the good one for you guys? This one or this one? Comment down below again. Or I think mas maganda sa lahat is of course this one. Swarovski. And they have here Dr. Juice. Dr. Juice, get up now. It's kind of romantic here, guys. And a lot of souvenir items over here as well. So let's go. Look at the people in this restaurant. We always come here. Me and Daniel. I guess I'm a little bit hungry. What do you think, guys? But I guess I'm a little bit hungry. And also they have here Aldo. Aldo, nasa ka na naman Aldo? Aldo. So in this area, there's a lot of restaurant as well, which we really like the burger in this place. We went here before with my friends, particularly this place, Wagyu. 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 Wagyu ako subukan. Mapriso ka. Where should I go, guys? In this place or this way? Or this way? I think I should go this way. So let's go. Let's keep on walking further down there, guys. There's a lot more to see here. So we go this way naman, guys. Seems like it's more busy here. They have fresh fish here to serve, guys. So kanina pinakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung isang restaurant ng Filipino dito, and there's another one here inside, and try natin pumasok.
Kung nakarating kayo sa
may Filipino, pasok tayo, guys, and tingnan natin kung matatakam ako sa food nila, kahit na dati nakapunta na ako dito para kumain. But let's see if they have new menu. Ayun siya, guys, over there, Pinoy. Let's go and check if they have new menu, new food to serve for today. So I ordered dinuguan, guys, with rice, and it costs like 11.95, and I have lemonade for 5 euros. So for the total of 16 euros and 95 cents. And I got my order already, guys, and let's try it. Let's do this. At so ayan na nga, guys, natunghayan yung aking vlog for today. So thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel, Barberong Becky, and always like, comment down below, and click the notification bell para palagi kayong updated sa akin i-upload na video. Once again, thank you so much. May God bless you all. Bye!